Dear students, BA Part Second, Semester Third, Subject English Literature. In previous videos, we have learned Unit First. Unit First is based on essays. After that, we have learned Unit Second. It is based on a novel, The Guide, written by R.K. Narayan. And Unit 4, it is based on literary terms. Today, we are going to learn Unit 3. It is based on a background to the study of English literature. And for this unit, this book is prescribed. So this book is available in our library. You can take this book on your BT card and you read properly. But remember, for this semester, only prose part is prescribed to you, and from this prose part, session first, second, third are prescribed for this semester. So you read only second, first, second, third, section 3. Section first is based on essay. Section second is based on novel. Yeah. Section third is based on short story. So you read these 3 sections from the part prose. So remember this. Okay. So you study properly of this unit. After that, this book is divided into 3 parts. Part number 1 is poetry, part 2 is drama, and part 3 is prose. So for detailed information, you read this book. After that, here in this book, there are the detailed information, development, origin, kinds of genre. Genre means kind of literature. These information have been written in this book. That's why this is very important book, literary point of view as well as for knowledge of literature. So you read this book. So here also this book is prescribed in subject English literature for 6 sessions or 6 semesters. Semester 1, semester 2, semester 4, semester 3, semester 5 and semester 6. That's why it is a very important this book. So in our syllabus already we discussed. So from this book, section 3 prose, chapter 1st, chapter 2nd and chapter 3rd are prescribed here. So already we discussed chapter 1st is the essay, chapter 2nd is based on novel, and chapter 3rd is based on the short story. So here questions are asked on this unit for 25 marks. So remember. So exam point of view also this unit is important. And questions are asked like one question for 10 marks and long answer question is asked in university. So that question like yes, one long answer question out of two to be answered in about 200 words based on the section 3rd, chapter 4, 2nd and 3rd of a background to study of English literature. So in the university exam, questions are asked to and you have to write only answer of two questions. So there is another question is all. So you solve any one question out of two and this question is for 10 marks. After that, in university exam asks question like question 4a, one short answer question out of two in about 100 words. So remember, you have to write only 100 words, means near about 2 pages, with internal choice based on the section 3rd, chapter 4, 2nd and 3rd. Means these two questions will be asked from any chapter. There is no specific chapter is given for us of a background to study of English literature. So these questions or each question is for 5 marks. So you have to write only answer of one question. And last questions on this unit, that question is 5 very short answer questions out of the 8 to be answered in a sentence or two based on the section 3rd, chapter 4, 2nd and 3rd of a background to study of English literature. So here 8 questions, very short answers are asked and you have to solve only 5 questions out of 8. Each question is 2 marks. Total marks are 10. So this is a verification or description of this unit. So here we discuss about unit, about section, about pattern and about questions. There is a one short answer question, very short answer question and short answer question are asked in the university exam. So you study of this unit properly, and after that also I will teach also properly to you, and any difficulty, any query regarding this unit you can ask to me. There is no problem. So remember this unit. In next video we will learn the 4th chapter essay. So here, thank you.